stop the chaos. If you are standing in front of your closet every morning thinking, I don't have anything to wear, stressing, rushing, and just feeling like your style doesn't match the woman that you are becoming, this video is for you. Today, I'm walking you through my very simple 5-step closet reset method. I have spent around 15 years developing this method while working with 100 women. By the end of this video, you will feel clear, refreshed, and ready to elevate your style without buying an entire new wardrobe. Hi, my loves. Hola, hola. I am Ana Tru. I am a custom designer and certified image consultant from FIT New York, and I am on a mission to help every single woman to elevate their personal style and lifestyle with intentional choices, smart wardrobe creation, and simple daily habits that make you feel more confident. And if you've been waiting for a fresh start, if you've been waiting to reconnect with your style, or if you simply want to stop wasting money on clothes that don't work, this 5-step method is for you. This process has helped women with every body type and every single budget, and it works because it's simple, it's strategic, and it gives you clarity fast. So grab your favorite drink, a notebook, and let's go through this step by step. Step number 1 is your lifestyle check. What do you really need? This is the foundation, because before you declutter, before you shop, or before you make any kind of decision, you need to understand your lifestyle right now. Because what I see is that most women buy for the life that they aspire to have, not the life that they truly live. So you should be very honest and ask yourself, why do I do Monday through Friday? What do my weekends look like? Do I work from home? Do I run after kids every single day? Am I in meetings? Do I go out often? I am always traveling. Do I need comfort or polish, or both? For me, I always tell you I am a mom, but I am also a business owner. So I'm running in between informal and casual. And now that you know what is your lifestyle, you should define 3 words for that style. And I will give you some examples. Comfortable, polished, feminine. Another example can be minimal, elevated, intentional. Chic, relaxed, clean. Bold, playful, confident. And these 3 words are now your style filter. Any piece that doesn't match your lifestyle or your words, it doesn't belong to your closet. Ciao, ciao. Bye, Felicia. Because this step alone will save you so much time, energy, decision fatigue, and most importantly, money. So just decide if you're a businesswoman, a mom that stays all day with their kids, a person that works in an office. Just define that, find your 3 words, and let's stick with that for the next step, which is fresh eyes on your closet. And this is where things start getting fun. Because now that you are clear in what you need, it's time to actually look at what you have in your closet. So go to your closet and take inventory slowly and intentionally. Try things on, not just look at them. Put them on your body, try them, and ask yourself, does this fit my lifestyle? Does this align with my 3 words? Do I feel good in it? Do I reach for it or avoid it? And try to restyle what you already own. Try pairing pieces in different ways. That blazer that you never wear, can you wear it with jeans? That sweater that you forgot, can you layer it with something also that you forgot that you own? That dress can work with boots instead of heels. And here's the magic. Before you buy anything, see what is actually working in your closet right now. Then you're gonna identify the gaps. As you go through your closet, you should be taking notes of the things that are missing. For example, I have gray tops, but I don't have bottoms. I need outerwear that match my new lifestyle. I don't have basics, or I need to renew those basics. Or I have many statement pieces and nothing to pair them with. This is a step where your personal style starts taking shape, because repetition builds clarity. Step number 3, the Pinterest exercise. And this is so much fun. I think this is one of the most powerful steps in this method. So you're gonna create a Pinterest board, and you're gonna create a specific board for your closet reset. So you're gonna start scrolling, and you're gonna save the outfits that match your lifestyle right now, align with your 3 words, look wearable for you, and have a common theme. Be aware to look for patterns. So you're gonna scroll through your board, and you're gonna ask yourself, what colors I am drawn to? What silhouettes keep showing up? What textures of fabric repeat? Are your outfits casual, elevated? And now, and this is key, add the pieces that you already own to that equation. So for example, search blazer outfits, white sneakers outfits, white leg trousers outfits, midi skirt outfits, whatever it is that you have in your closet, let's type it in and look on Pinterest. You will be shocked how many styling ideas appear, because Pinterest is known for fantasizing. It's a very, very good and powerful tool because it helps you see potential that you already have and helps you understand what your closet is missing. Step number 4, let go of whatever it is that is not serving you. Now that you have seen your real closet and your inspiration side by side, it's time to get on it. Pull out everything that doesn't serve you. These include clothes that are worn out, uncomfortable, too small, too big, it doesn't fit your lifestyle anymore, doesn't match your 3 words, it's not versatile enough, or just doesn't make you feel confident. Let go. Focus in your basic and in your foundation, because without those basics you will always feel like if something is missing. And if something doesn't go, let it go, donate it. Freeing space creates clarity. Remember that a crowded closet does not equal more style. A curated closet does. Step 5, create a wish list and shop smart. So finally now we shop, but not the way that you shop before. You are gonna create that very strategic wish list, no random impulses, no trends that won't last. A cohesive list based on your lifestyle, your 3 words, the gaps that you identify, your Pinterest patterns, and your foundation basics. And ask yourself, what pieces will elevate everything that I already own? And this is how you build a closet that works for you. It is better to buy one amazing piece than 5 things that you will never use. And also don't forget secondhand shops, because you can find amazing quality designer pieces for a fraction of the price, while also being sustainable. And that's all for the 5-step method full closet reset. And I guarantee you that if you follow these 5 steps, you will feel more confident, more aligned with your style, and way more organized. Your closet will support your lifestyle, no stresses you out. Comment below and tell me which step are you starting with. And if you have any questions or any doubts, feel free to comment down below. I'm very, very happy to answer all your questions. For now, I am leaving you with more videos that go perfectly with this one. For example, how to create a capsule wardrobe, or what to avoid while shopping, small little luxuries. I will link them down below. If you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell button so you never miss another video. And as always, I'm so grateful that you're here with me, spending this time with me. Be kind to yourself, love yourself, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.